You know that feeling when you see a car that just has it all? The presence, the tech, the performance, and that unmistakable sense of luxury that makes you do a double take. That's the BMW X5 2025. It's not just another premium SUV, it's a refined beast in a tailored suit. So if you're curious about what makes this new X5 stand out in an ocean of luxury crossovers, stick around. We're going all in, and trust me, you'll want to stay till the end. Let's start with what you see first, the exterior. The 2025 BMW X5 has gotten a refresh, and the changes are subtle but seriously effective. That new illuminated kidney grille? Yeah, it lights up at night, not in a flashy way, but with just enough glow to say, "I'm not here to blend in." It's paired with slimmer, sharper LED headlights and redesigned front bumpers that give it a more aggressive, yet sophisticated look. Around the back, the taillights now have a new X-motif LED design that looks modern and dynamic. And the proportions? Still muscular, still confident. Whether you're in the base xDrive 40i or the powerhouse M60i, this thing owns the road. Step inside the 2025 X5 and wow, this isn't just a cabin, it's a tech lounge on wheels. The first thing that catches your eye is the massive BMW curved display, now standard. It combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen into one flowing, high-res panel, all powered by the new BMW operating system 8.5. It's sleek, it's fast, and the interface feels way more intuitive than before. But wait, it gets better. The climate controls are now fully integrated into the screen, and there's voice control via BMW's intelligent personal assistant. Just say, "Hey BMW," and it's like talking to your own digital butler. The center console has been redesigned too, cleaner, more elegant. And of course, materials are top-notch. Available merino leather, open-pore wood, crystal gear selector, and even glass iDrive controller in the higher trims. Now let's talk driving. The 2025 X5 xDrive 40i comes with a newly updated 3.0-liter inline-six engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It now puts out 375 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque, up from last year. It's smooth, responsive, and surprisingly quick, 0 to 60 in about 5.2 seconds. If you want more power, there's the X5 M60i with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 that cranks out 523 horsepower. That one. It's a monster in a tuxedo. The air suspension is optional but totally worth it. It glides over bumps and gives you adjustable ride height when you need it. And with xDrive all-wheel drive, this thing sticks to the road like glue, whether you're in city traffic or carving up a mountain road. All right. Let's dive into what's new and notable for the 2025 X5. BMW operating system 8.5 with updated UI and improved voice interaction. Illuminated kidney grille on most trims, now iconic. New ambient lighting patterns, including welcome animations. Optional highway assistant. Semi-autonomous driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on certain roads. Digital Key Plus. Unlock and start your X5 with your phone, even without taking it out of your pocket. Augmented reality navigation. Overlays arrows on the live front camera feed when making turns. 4-zone automatic climate control now standard. Improved plug-in hybrid option, xDrive 50e, with more electric range and more power if you're into that mix. For all its luxury and power, the X5 is still incredibly practical. The rear seats fold flat for maximum cargo space, and you get over 70 cubic feet with the second row down. The split tailgate is still here, which is super convenient for loading groceries or gear. In the back, passengers are treated to heated seats, individual climate controls, and optional rear entertainment screens. You can literally binge Netflix while someone else drives. So who is the BMW X5 2025 really for? It's for someone who wants it all: performance, presence, cutting-edge tech, and a cabin that feels like a first-class lounge. It's not the cheapest in its class, But honestly, you feel every dollar in the experience. If you're cross-shopping between something like a Mercedes GLE, Audi Q7, or even a Porsche Cayenne, the X5 hits that sweet spot right in the middle, refined enough for luxury purists, yet sporty enough to satisfy the enthusiast in you. That's our full deep dive into the 2025 BMW X5. If this ride impressed you even half as much as it impressed us, go give it a test drive. Just be warned, it might ruin other SUVs for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you go for the xDrive 40i, the plug-in hybrid 50e, or full-on beast mode with the M60i?